Hi, I am Arpitha. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to give you 5 tips on what to do with your faded clothing. It can be really frustrating to see your colorful clothes fade as soon as you wash them. There are a few different ways you can protect the color of your garments. If you have clothes that faded after just a few washes, it may be because of detergent buildup. Powdered laundry detergent may remain on the clothes than liquid detergent. Coming to my first tip, wash with salt. If the color faded because of the detergent remaining, my tip is to wash your clothes with salt to make them look like new again. Place your faded clothes with regular detergent in the washing machine. Pour half cup of salt into the drum. In addition to storing colors, it can also help prevent new clothes from fading in the first place. This goes same for your handloom clothes. You can add salt to every load of laundry if you like. Regular table salt works well for this, but avoid roughly ground sea salt as it may not dissolve fully in the washing machine. Salt is also effective stain remover, especially on blood, mildew and sweat stains. I will discuss that in one of my future videos. Be subscribed to my channel. After washing your clothes, take them out and check the color. If you are satisfied with it, you can either air dry them or place them in your dryer. If they still look faded, try washing them in vinegar. That takes me to my next tip. Washing with vinegar. Add half cup of white vinegar to your washing machine. You can pour the vinegar directly into the drum or you can add it to the fabric softener dispenser. The vinegar will help break up any detergent or minerals left behind by hard water. So your clothes will look brighter. The vinegar will also prevent this buildup in the first place. So it's a great way to keep your clothes color fast while they are still new. If you want an even deeper clean, soak the clothing item in a solution of 1 cup of white vinegar and around 4 liters of warm water for about 20 to 30 minutes before you wash it. Wash the clothes in cool water on a normal cycle. Place your faded clothes into your washing machine, add laundry detergent and turn on the machine. In many cases, soaking your clothes in vinegar then washing them is all it will take to make them look brighter. Choose the cycle that appropriate for the clothes you are brightening. For example, if you are washing items made from a delicate material like silk or lace, you would want to use a gentle wash. For more durable fabrics like cotton or denim, a normal wash is fine. Air dry your clothes by hanging them or place them in the dryer. The vinegar will wash out of your clothes during the rinse cycle. So your laundry shouldn't smell like vinegar when it comes out of the wash. Follow the instructions on the care label for drying or how you normally prefer to dry your clothes. If a bit of the vinegar smell does remain, either hang the item to dry outside or put a fabric softener sheet in the dryer. The smell should be gone by the time it's dry. If your clothes still look faded, the dye might have washed out. So you may need to dye the clothes instead. Let me take you to my third tip to explain how to do that. Dyeing your clothes. Some fabrics accept dye better than others. So before you try dyeing it, take a look at the tag inside the item to see what it's made of. If the item is made from at least 60% natural fibers like cotton, silk, linen, remi, wool or rayon, it will probably dye well. Clothing made from a blend of natural and synthetic fibers may not look as dark when they are dyed compared to the clothing made from an all-natural fabric. If the garment is made from acrylic, spandex, polyester or metallic fibers, or if the tag says dry clean only, it probably will not take dye well. If there are any spots or stains, the dye may not absorb evenly into the fabric. So make sure the clothes are clean. Choose a dye as close to the original color as possible. If you want your garment to look as good as new, take it with you to the store while choosing the dye. Try to find the closest match you can, as that will give you the natural looking result. If you want to change the color of your garment, you will need to use a color remover first. If you want to know how to dye your clothes, let me know in the comments so I can create a video for you. If the fading is from normal washing and wearing, dyeing the garment back to the original color can give it a new life. You may also be able to restore your clothes with some common household supplies like baking soda, coffee, or hydrogen peroxide. I really don't know where to get hydrogen peroxide, but yeah. Try out household items. Try adding baking soda to your washing machine. Baking soda is basic household item that can help make your clothes look bright, and it's especially effective on white clothes. Just add about a half cup to the drum of your washer along with your clothes and regular detergent. Baking soda is also a great way to deodorize your clothing. Refresh black clothes by soaking them in coffee or tea. If you want an easy, inexpensive way to keep your dark clothes looking rich and new, prepare 2 cups of very strong black tea or coffee. Place the clothes in the washing machine and wash them as normal, but stay close. When the rinse cycle starts, open the lid of the washing machine and pour in the coffee or tea. Let the washing finish, then hang your clothes to dry. Drying black clothes in the dryer can cause them to fade more quickly. Upcycle your faded clothes. You may feel some of the clothes are so badly faded that you don't want to wear them and can't even donate. You can make blankets, bags, belts, doormats, waxing strips, etc. You can even design new clothes from old ones. Mix and match the fabric and designs to see what you like. For example, if your old red top is faded on one side and have to throw away a pink top that has a hole on one side, just cut them in a way that they can be stitched into one top. If your pant is faded around knees, cut and make them into shorts. Here are some examples to look at. Don't forget to choose similar weight of fabrics when designing these clothes. You can try to stitch together different patches from old clothes to make a skirt, a table runner, dupattas or carpets. Go crazy with your creativity here and share your ideas with me. Do you have any more tips to add to this list? Comment below. Do you have any more concerns regarding how to take care of your clothes? Comment them below. I will choose one of your requests and create a video for you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and the bell next to it. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.